Hey y'all, today I'm under disguise on Omegle or OMEGLE. How do you say the name? Omegle. I'm gonna say Omegle. I don't know how to say the name, but today we're gonna be doing a video on Omegle. Today we're gonna be doing a video on Omegle. Today we're gonna be doing a video on Omegle. We're gonna be asking people to rate my BB gun. This is something new. I just thought of this in my head and thought I should do it. So yeah, let's get to this video. We gonna be under the skies too, y'all. I don't want nobody to know it's me or something.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
Even though nobody know me, cause I don't got no clout. So yeah, but yeah, let's get to this video, y'all. Y'all need y'all to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and comment what videos y'all want to see next. Let's get to this video. The little tag thingy. We don't need to put no hashtags. We gonna go with video. Let's see who we get on. Hello? Bro, I hope we get people on here. Hello? Bro. Hello? Bro! I hope we get people on here. Hello? Nobody wants to. Bro, can we get one person at least? Yo, if we get one person. Hello? Hello? Can you hear me? What the fuck? Bro, you good, bro? That dude is weird, bro. Hello? Oh my god, what are they scared or something? Hello? Hello? Oh my god, I don't think we're gonna find nobody for this video, y'all. Then I'm literally finna die. Hello? Bro! Yeah, we need our mask like that over our nose. We don't want no. Hello? Can we find somebody? We are literally not finding nobody. Hello? What's up?
Are you Alan Walker?
Who?
You smell ugly.
How do you smell ugly? How do you smell ugly? How do you smell ugly? Bro, what? Bro, what is you doing? Bro. Oh man, bro. Hello? Bro, this website is weird, bro. They be doing weird stuff on here. Cause what was he just doing under the cover with his hands down there? Somebody tell me, what was he just doing under the cover with his hands down there? Hello? I just want to ask one question. Hey, yo. Then they racist on here too. Hello? We can't get nobody. Hello? 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 Do I have to? Do I need to put a hashtag? Hello? Bro, they is so weird, bro. Really, so weird on here. Hello? Oh my god. I don't even know if I can put out this video. I think we need a new tag, y'all. Bro, what the fuck? Hello?
What's up, my guy? You got a full setup for a video? It's probably a YouTuber.
Can I ask you a question?
What up?
I need you to rate something for me.
Great.
Yeah, I need you to rate something.
What? A dick?
Bro, what? Like, can you rate this? He didn't even rate this. He just hung up. And y'all, I'm covering the orange tip. I don't know why. I'm covering it. I'm covering it, y'all. I'm covering it. Bro, that's so weird.
Y'all didn't really make an outro to this video, so this is the outro right here. I'm gonna need y'all to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and comment with videos I want to do next. And if y'all like this video, give it a thumbs up. I know I ain't get a lot of people on here, or it wasn't. I wasn't talking to a lot of people, and nobody didn't really rate the gun. But yeah, I'll try to do better next time if y'all want this video. But yeah, like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and comment with videos y'all want to see. And I'm out, man.
Okay, bye.